Good morning guys, welcome to our channel, the Automation Academy. Our topic for today is about National Electrical Code Practice Test for Electrician Part 7. Number 1. Receptacle outlet in a dwelling must be installed in habitable rooms so that no point along the floor line is farther from an outlet. A. 5 feet, B. 4 feet, C. 6 feet, D. 12 feet. Answer is C. 6 feet. Number 2. There is no overcurrent protection on the secondary side of a 480 volt transformer with a primary current of 100 amperes. The rating of the primary overcurrent protective device should not exceed A. 100 amperes, B. 125 amperes, C. 250 amperes, D. 60 amperes. The answer is B. 125 amperes. Number 3. What is the minimum size fixture wire permitted for the control and operating circuit of X-ray and auxiliary equipment? A. 22, B. 18, C. 14, D. 12. The answer is B. 18. Number 4. A branch circuit supplies a household electric range with a demand of 8,000 watts. The underground conductors have an ampacity of 40 amperes. The neutral ampacity must be at least A. 40 amperes, B. 35 amperes, C. 28 amperes, D. 24 amperes. The correct answer is 28 amperes, letter C. Number 5. If the optional calculation method for a dwelling unit is used, the load of less than 4 separately controlled electric space heating units is subject to a demand factor of A. 100%, B. 80%, C. 65%, D. 40%. The answer is D. 40%. Number 6. If the standard calculation method is used, the feeder demand for a dwelling with a 150 kilovolt ampere general lighting load is A. 52,500 volt amperes, B. 54,450 volt amperes, C. 56,450 volt amperes, D. 51,450 volt amperes. The answer is D. 51,450 volt amperes. Number 7. If a single phase motor draws 50 amperes and each branch circuit is protected 150 ampere non-time delay fuse, the feeder overcurrent protective device may not be larger than A. 90 amperes, B. 300 amperes, C. 100 amperes, D. 150 amperes. The answer is D. 150 amperes. Number 8. The maximum continuous load connected to a 15 ampere branch must not exceed A. 15 amperes, B. 20 amperes, C. 12 amperes, D. 16 amperes. The answer is C. 12 amperes. Number 9. The minimum size conductors required for a 15 ampere branch circuit using type NM cable are A. Number 10 AWG aluminum, B. Number 14 AWG copper, C. Number 12 AWG copper, D. Number 8 AWG aluminum or copper-clad aluminum conductors. The answer is B. Number 14 AWG copper. Number 10. The power used by load supplied by a 15 ampere 120 volt branch circuit cannot exceed A. 22,400 volt amperes, B. 1,800 volt amperes, C. 2000 volt amperes, D 4600 volt amperes, or 4300 watts on residential circuits? And the answer is B 1800 volt amperes. Number 11. When it is allowed, the demand factor applied to the service neutral for a load in excess of 200 amperes is A 50%, B 70%, C 60%, D 90%. The answer is B 70%. Number 12. The rating of the electric service for a one-family residence shall not be less than A 100 amperes, B 150 amperes when the initial load is 15 kilowatts or less, C 100 amperes when the initial load is 10 kilowatts, D 60 amperes. The answer is A 100 amperes. Number 13. If the phase to neutral voltage in a three-phase system is 2400 volts, the phase-to-phase voltage is approximately A 4800, B 2400, C 4150, and D 12470. And the answer is C 4150. Number 14. The ampacity of conductors connecting a power factor correcting capacitor to a motor circuit shall not be less than A 135% of the rated current of the capacitor, B 135% of the ampacity of the motor circuit conductors, C 110% of the feeder capacity, D 1/3 ampacity of the motor circuit conductors, and not less than 145% of the rated current of the capacitor. The answer is D 1/3 ampacity of the motor circuit conductors and not less than 145% of the rated current of the capacitor. Number 15. The unit lightning for a store building is A 3 volt amperes per square foot, B 2 volt amperes per square foot, C 5 volt amperes per square foot, or D 6 volt amperes per square foot. Answer is A 3 volt amperes per square foot. Number 16. The maximum continuous load connected to a 20 ampere 120 volt branch circuit cannot exceed A 2400 volt amperes, B 5000 volt amperes, C 2000 volt amperes, D 4600 volt amperes. The answer is A 2400 volt amperes. Number 17. An assembly of electrically interconnected electrolytic cells supplied by a source of direct current power is known as A cellular circuit, B cell line, C intercell, D electrolytic cellular communication. And the answer is B cell line. Number 18. In which of the following location is induction heating equipment prohibited? A hazardous, B commercial buildings, C industrial structures, D multifamily dwellings. Answer is A hazardous. Number 19. What is the minimum distance that the receptacle can be installed from the inside wall of a swimming pool? A 8 feet, B 6 feet, C 3 feet, or D 10 feet. Answer is D 10 feet. Number 20. A lighting fixture intended for installation in a metal forming shell mounted in a pool or fountain structure where the fixture will be completely surrounded by water is called A. Dry niche fixture, B. Wet niche fixture, C. Plug connected lightning assembly, D. Cord connected lightning assembly. The answer is A. Dry niche fixture. Number 21. The wall space between the door in a living room requires outlet if the space is wider than A. 3 feet, B. 4 feet, C. 2 feet, D. 5 feet. The answer is C. 2 feet. Number 22. Ground fault circuit interrupter protection is required for all 120 volts, 15 or 20 ampere receptacle installed in the following dwelling unit: A. Bedroom, B. Living room, C. Bathroom, D. Hallway. The answer is C. Bathroom. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe and comment down below and share the love. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.